Jennifer, what do you do for Ulster Bank?
So I am Head of Corporate Planning and Service Delivery within our Corporate Banking division, which is very long-winded, but effectively I work in an operational function within corporate banking, and I look after a number of areas. So I suppose one of the bigger areas is our service delivery function, and effectively what that does is it oversees all of our complaint handling for our business customers. And I suppose whenever we receive complaints, we do root cause analysis of those complaints. We put service improvement plans in place. So if things aren't working or a number of customers have reported similar issues, we'll take a look, we'll work with whoever the product partner is or a service provider, try and understand what's gone wrong, put a plan in place and hopefully deal with the issue. So we cover a number of functions within that, within the service delivery team. So it would include reviewing outsourced services and things like that. I also look after our CRM team. So we have a customer relationship management system for corporate banking, and I suppose we're a very small team, but very, very slick and very highly organised within the little team that we have. And we basically work with the businesses to make sure that all of their CRM requirements are met. That would include things like automating a lot of the management information, working through kind of innovative solutions to help us communicate better with our customers, and working with our digital colleagues as well to try and integrate from our external websites into the CRM system.